Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talks. This is your Lakshmipati. Today we have one web interview with Mr. Ankush. He is working in Raipur Airport as a electrical maintenance engineer for illumination. So all the things related to illumination, lights and all, how things are there in airport, how what they will do, how they are maintaining all the lamps and all, what different types of lights we have, what different types of colors we have for the lights, what is their significance. So uh, how they are doing installation and maintenance and all, what is the rating of the lamps. So it may be very simple but just better to know. That's why I'm posting this video, so keep watching. Hello Ankush.
Why, sir?
Yeah, welcome to
Hello,
our
sir.
channel ALP Talks. How are you?
Thank you, sir. Fine, sir. Fine.
Good,
I
good,
just finished my
good.
lunch.
Yeah. So how things going on there?
Sir, I am just sitting in my home.
Okay, okay. Good, good, good. So nice to meet to you, Ankush. So I think yesterday, 1 or 2 days back only, I given a invitation to you. You accepted, and finally we are here. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for prompt action. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I just started this YouTube channel to give some brief idea to the professionals or BTech graduates or whoever may be. So because we are doing somehow we are doing some work in companies or factories somewhere. So people freshers or maybe they will get some good understanding how things are there, because these things nobody will discuss, nobody will teach at all. So it's better. That's why I started. I hope it may benefit many people. So that's the motto of our channel.
This
Uh,
this is good
Welcome back
platform.
again. So instead of wasting our time, I just want you to start. So we just want to know about you, your educational background, your professional background, and what you are doing. So let's proceed.
Yes, sir.
Your turn.
I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. Good.
इंदौर के अंदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट आता है. अंडर इंदौर देयर इज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट खंडवा.
Uh-huh.
अंडर खंडवा देयर इज अ विलेज. Their name is Gandhwa.
Okay.
So I am from village Gandhwa,
Okay.
and I have done a diploma and degree both in electrical engineering.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah.
I pa- I done my diploma in 2010
Mm-hmm.
and degree in 2013
Okay, okay,
from Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, Gwalior.
okay, okay.
And
Yeah.
after I did 1 year as a electrical supervisor in Raipur Airport,
Okay,
as an electrical supervisor under contractual company.
okay.
It is from Gwalior. The name is Manish Electricals.
Manish Electricals. Okay,
Yes, yes. Manish.
okay, okay, okay. So good, good.
That I
You have
decided.
experience on illumination, lights, and all, right? Very good experience. So you have hands-on experience, we can say.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. So
I
how
just
you
came
joined
here
into this
to
first company, this Manish Electricals? Through some reference or HR?
from
How?
my friend circle.
Okay,
From
good.
my friend circle's connection.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Generally, that what happens. Okay, yeah. Today we are going to brief discussion on lights and illumination. So it may be whatever doubts I have in my mind, I'm going to ask you. So we can discuss better. So Raipur Airport
Okay.
Authority, electrical maintenance, right? I mean lights related. It is complete from
Yes,
starting to end. You are taking care of it.
yes, yes, yes. I
Okay.
just try my best.
Yeah, yeah, no issue, no issue. That's it. That's the spirit. Yeah. Yeah. So, generally, what is the rating of the lights? Whatever lights you are using, generally, in house we will say 30 watts, 40 watts, or 5 watts, 4 watts LED like that. So, in airport, where whatever lights you are using, what is the rating of light? Can you explain? Generally.
Uh, Rating of lights generally in runway. there is a normal 50 watt, 40 watt lights for signaling purpose
Okay.
around the runway. For main signaling light are very better than high rating to normal lights. Halogen lights are using for beacons, highlight, high
Okay.
tower light. For high tower light, big halogen lights are using.
Okay.
Their rating are in 1000 watt or 2000 watt maybe.
Oh, too high. Okay.
Yes, at the high tower, there is halogen light is used,
Okay.
and one another light is uh, so in which a gas is using a gas is used gas type, I think gas type bulb. I forget their name,
Yeah, yeah, no
but
issue, no issue. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So in halogen lights, whatever halogen lights are very intensity, or how why they are using to reflect more area, or how
more area and more. These are basically heating element.
heating element.
Heating.
Okay.
Okay. Generally, I think this type of lights are generally using in height tower area. For
Uh-huh.
high tower
Okay,
using.
okay. High tower applications. Uh-huh. Okay,
Today,
okay.
I think gas type high rating bulb is using
Okay.
for less power and the same light flux.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is the voltage rating
Then
generally?
voltage rating is 440 for high,
Uh-huh.
and for normal bulb 230 single
Okay.
phase.
Hey, it's like normal, regular. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. So for the airport, for entire lights and all, these are emergency lights, right? I mean, lights are lights, so it is most important. So if any power goes out, generally,
Yes.
then what is the situation? I mean, you have only few lights you will turn on, or you have power backup for every lights. How the situation is generally in airports?
We have separate DJ. We have separate DJ for it.
Uh huh.
We have separate DJ set, digital generator set
Okay.
for emergency. For emergency,
Okay. Okay. Generally, what will be the capacity of DZ? I mean, what is the rating of DZ set?
it depends on their size, but maximum it 50 kilowatt. I think.
Okay. Okay. 50 kilowatt.
I
Mm-hmm.
think.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So generally, how the lamps are rated other than wattage, voltage? Any other parameters are there for lamps or candles? I mean, luminous intensity, something. So those parameters are there. Generally, are you taking care of
This
those or it's not?
These criteria are only considered when installation is processing.
Uh-huh.
When the whole systems are installed, at that time, the illumination are being calculated.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
जब installation किया तब ये calculations I think होता होगा.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh.
But during maintenance, illumination कोई calculation में नहीं है.
Okay.
When we are maintenance, we just
Okay.
remove old lights and new लगाते हैं हम
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and fit new lights.
Okay. Those
The
false lights,
calculation
what you are doing? You will recycle it or you will throw it away for a scrap?
throw it throw it away.
Throw it away. Okay,
In
okay.
city there is a separate industrial lights shop.
Uh-huh.
So I go there and buy it and submit the bill from department
Okay.
to department.
Is airport lights are completely different than our regular lights, or how you can say? I mean, they have separate setup structure and all, or it's like normal home lights only.
Many lights are in rod shape. Many lights are in curvature shape.
Uh-huh.
Many just zero lamp sight. A small signal lamp are in zero lamp size,
Uh-huh.
but they are very more powerful than general lights.
Okay.
Their their cover glass cover is very hard than
Uh-huh. Okay.
normal glass.
Okay. Okay. So, what different types of lamps are there? I mean, we have differently in a house. We have candescent or CFL, something like that.
Sorry,
So,
sorry.
in airport, what types you have?
Sorry, I just forgot one thing.
Uh-huh.
I can you one thing. There is the underground cable in runway light.
Uh-huh.
So if there are underground cable, then I think there is a DC supply is used. I think
Oh.
because
Uh-huh.
DC light. Yes. I remember DC light is using
Oh, most of the
very
lights are
high.
DC lights, you are thinking.
Or I think 1000 volt is using.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I think 1000 DC light
Oh,
and 1000 volt.
1000 volts DC, you are thinking. Okay. 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 Yeah, it's a
I
little
think
bit strange then. In house, we are using AC, there may be DC.
I am working. I just work only 6 to 7 months there,
Okay, no issue, no issue. Uh-huh. Okay.
and I properly work only measuring
Yeah.
of underground cable
Mm-hmm.
and DG maintenance, just like batteries,
Okay.
water,
Yeah,
pH
yeah,
value
yeah.
checking,
Yeah, for
panel
DC
maintenance, panel
maintenance,
checking.
generally, how much liters of diesel is required per day generally, average, then for 50 kilowatt, whatever you said. How much
50
time you will
kilowatt.
turn on generally?
Generally, very few time, only just 5 minutes is maximum.
Uh-huh.
5 minutes is maximum.
Uh-huh.
Just
Okay.
1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Five
Oh,
minutes is maximum because
power will come again.
uh, light is uh, light is rarely gone there.
Oh, okay, okay, that's nice. So, is it simply normal? I mean, is it simple lamps, or we are using any capacitor or inductor along with the lamps?
The gas type lamps are inbuilt them a small capacitor. I think
Uh-huh.
I I forget their name, but this types of lamp inbuilt a small capacitor in which
Okay, okay,
the gas type lamp
okay, okay.
using for high heights.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, how you are turning? I mean, is this any turning on, turn off? Is it automatic or manually we have to do somewhere?
We use timer,
Timer.
analog timer,
Uh-huh.
analog.
Yes, yes, yes.
We
Oh,
set time by hand. There is a watch. Oh, there is a knob, up knob or down knob. Is there something?
okay, okay,
So we set the time by hand.
okay. Is this analog timer or digital timer?
Analog timer.
Oh, generally digital
There
timer.
is no.
Okay, okay. Uh-huh. So,
I think the timer is changed now because the thing is मैं कब की बात करूँ 2013 I think 2013 में I was there
okay, okay.
2013-14 I was
Uh-huh.
there. So now there are 2020, so it was changed. I think
Yeah, yeah, no issue, no issue. So generally, how much power is required for entire airport? I mean, is this around transformer will be there, power is required, right? 2500 kVA, or how much power is required for running airport? Did you have any idea?
all of the loads are lighting loads.
Yeah.
All all the loads are related to lighting loads.
You have conveyor and some conveyors will be there, escalators will be there, lift will be there, some.
But most of the loads are lighting load,
Yeah,
because in runway area there are many lighting loads,
yeah.
around more than 1,000 lights around, or
Okay,
more than 1,000 से ज़्यादा, 5,000 lights are there, I think.
okay, okay, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, good. So from where you are, that airport is getting power? Local electricity board, or do you have any solar like that?
Local electricity board.
Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
I mean Raipur, so there are Chhattisgarh electricity board is there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Just in industrial connection, 11 kV connection.
Uh-huh. Okay, 11 by 433.
I ran by 440 or 230.
Ah, that's okay. That's fine. That's fine. So, did you have any battery backup like that? There are so many number of batteries connected for getting backup, or how it is there?
Battery backup connection is not there because DJ set is available
Okay, okay.
for emergency purpose. So light going chances is very rare.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Airport means it's.
when when light is shut down, after a few seconds, DJ set is started automatically.
Uh-huh. Is it automatic?
Automatically.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Good, good. So,
So there is not requirement. So
okay.
there is no requirement of battery backup.
Okay, okay, yeah. So, maintenance means maintenance of all these lights means generally what you will do. Maintenance means what action you will do for all the lights.
Generally, we remove bed lights or off lights and measuring. Weekly check measuring. During rain, many of the cables are being faulted or in faulty condition. So we dig the whole land, related land. So we just check कि measuring के अनुसार कि कितना how much
Yeah, Megger value you will check,
से
right?
मतलब उसकी
Okay.
वैल्यू कितनी है
Yeah, generally,
नॉर्मल
yeah, yeah.
अंडरग्राउंड
What is
केबल
the
की
normal value
और
for
एबनॉर्मल
Megger? Generally.
इन मेगा ओम अगर अंडरग्राउंड केबल ओके है तो मेगा ओम में रहेगी
Uh-huh.
और अगर वो फाल्टी हो गया तो ओम में आ जाएगी किलो ओम भी नहीं रहेगी वो ओम में आ जाएगी
Yeah, faulty means they will break, or what is the case? Faulty means what happens?
ये बहुत पुरानी केबलें गड़ी होती है जमीन के अंदर
Okay, okay.
पुरानी ओल्ड केबल्स आर गड़ी हुई होती है नीचे जमीन के अंदर तो ये पोर्शंस में गड़ी होती है दे आर पोर्शन so we check only portion of the underground cable after that one portion is finished then second portion is started so portion by portion we check the underground cable then we decided that these portion of the cables are faulty.
Yeah, that's good. Otherwise it's difficult. Yeah.
Otherwise if more dangerous then smoke or dhua in
Yes,
during
so what is is this a DC current, DC cable, or AC cable?
I think this is DC cable, I think.
Okay. So
not sure, but I think this is DC.
So all these lamps and all, from where you will purchase? I mean, did you have any vendors or like that? Or?
इंडस्ट्रियल शॉप एक पुरानी शॉप थी जहाँ से हम हमेशा से परचेस करते थे पुराने में तो अभी उस समय नया नया आया था आई वाज न्यू देयर बट अ शॉप I don't Mangalsri. I think Mangalsri. Their name is Mangalsri shop.
So yeah, these Philips or so many lights are there, right? Like that I'm asking. Okay. So what are different types of colors are there in lamps? Did you have any idea which color is used at which time, which place, which application?
There are only three ways. मैं जहाँ रायपुर में वर्क करता हूँ वहाँ 3 वेज थे लाइट एरोप्लेन के इन करने के तो वहाँ पर 3 लाइट्स होते थे सिग्नलिंग के, रेड, ब्लू और ऐसा कुछ था तीसरा। तो उनकी सिग्नल के अनुसार ही वो अंदर आ सकते थे और बाहर जा सकते थे, ऐसा कुछ सिग्नल था।
ओके ओके।
ये सभी लाइट्स एटीसी से कंट्रोल होते थे। All the lights are being controlled by ATC tower.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So installation means, is it simple or difficult? Say new lights installation and all.
Both works are one is installation work and second is maintenance work. So I am in maintenance work.
Okay.
That is
Okay, okay. I
insta-
got it. Mm-hmm.
installations are already done.
Yeah, yeah.
Some small installation work is being processed. चलता रहता है उतना.
Okay, okay. So cleaning up lamps means what you will do? Cleaning means.
Cleaning lamps.
Yeah.
क्लीन हम लैंप्स को करते मतलब उसको प्रॉपर उसके अटैचमेंट को खोलते, लाइट के ऊपर, लाइट सरफेस के ऊपर जो भी धूल लगी होती है उसको साफ करते.
Okay.
फिर ये रेगुलर चेकअप का होता है.
Okay.
ये रेगुलर चेकअप हम करते रहते थे. ये
हाँ.
स्मॉल मतलब वर्क हमको कुछ दिखाना पड़ता था कि भैया कुछ करो, तो बैठे मत रहो. तो वो क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहता है, हम वहाँ बैठे तो नहीं रह सकते, ऐसे दिखाना पड़ता है कि क्या रेगुलर क्या चेकअप करते हो.
Okay,
तो
okay.
वो वर्क हम रेगुलरली करते रहते हैं.
Okay. So boundary, runway, obstacle. So many lights are there. So all are same capacity, same lights are different hai generally.
Runway lights are normal, beacons lights are very high capacity. रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार जहाँ पर कम पावर कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर कम पावर वाले, जहाँ पर सिग्नलिंग की आवश्यकता हो तो सिग्नलिंग में हाई पावर वाले लाइट्स यूज होते हैं.
Okay, okay. So floodlight means what? Floodlights means very high capacity, or can I explain? Floodlights.
Which light?
Generally floodlighting truck you have there na? During emergencies.
Generally, these lights are normal light.
Okay, okay. So generally, if any problem is there, generally we have to place warning, right? So did you face any warning place anytime?
Yes, there is a light with the siren.
Okay. Light with siren.
Yes.
Buzzer, right? Like buzzer.
On ATC tower.
Okay, okay. Okay. So pumps, compressor, any pumps, compressors are there in airport? You mentioned
there is
about
a separate cooling tower department, which is handled by other companies' employee. But I am just under electrical department.
Okay, okay.
There are separate RSA department. वो डिपार्टमेंट अलग था और उसके एम्प्लॉयज अलग थे, तो हम वहाँ कभी कभार जाते रहते. Sometimes we go.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Your education is related to Kargan, right? Kargan district.
Khandwa.
Okay. Yeah, I think in your college name you mentioned somewhere Kargan also.
Khandwa, Kishore Kumar's birthplace.
Okay. Good. Yeah, we have thermal power plant, right, in Kargan, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Yeah, have you went there? It's a very big plant in India, I think.
Singrauli power plant.
सिंगरौली है, कारगान भी है ना, कारगान थर्मल पावर प्लांट.
Yes, there which one power plant, Singrauli.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yes.
I know only.
Yeah. Good, Ankush. Yeah, you discussed so many things. Very nice. Yeah.
I just only work 6 to 7 months.
Yeah, that's it. Whatever general, some general things only we are discussing, how things are there in individual industry. Some person may be in.
There is a separate electrical government department, so they check time to time and we maintain government employees also with our companies hire post employees. हमको
Okay.
दोनों एम्प्लॉयज दोनों दोनों ऑफिसर को मैनेज करना पड़ता है
Yeah, yeah, no issue, no issue. Good, good,
इधर
good.
से कुछ
Thank you, Ankush, for today's discussion. Yeah, stay connected.
थैंक यू
Bye bye. Take care, dear.
थैंक यू
Yeah, good. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. So subscribe to our channel if you didn't subscribe. So if you are also interested for participating in these web interviews for ILP talks, you can message me. If you have any questions or comments or anything, also you can message me in comment section. I'm ready to make things clear. So there are lot of topics in this electrical world where more than the lakhs of people are working on it. So my motto is to just interview as many people as possible of various fields, electrical or yeah, it may not be electrical. I may be going into the other fields also, so that it gives a good understanding how jobs are there in outside world. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.